is an old Bohm wall zither, recently the subject of a restoration on Manberlin Hospital, tunable by an old clock key with Preston tuners. It was in a terrible state when it arrived, but now it sounds great. And it's easy to play. Right up down fingerboard, the intonation is quite good. I've left the cuts in for the ninth string if anybody wants to restring it differently. It's got 8 at the moment, tuned G, D, A, E. Chords are fine as well. Good volume, good sustain. The sustain is still going. You can still hear it. A little Bohm will do the converted to an Irish bouzouki, flat back, maple, spruce top, Preston tuners, now raring, waiting for a new home, ready to go.